adrenaline high. I'm the market maestro, touching the sky. Stocks on the surge, feel the rush ignite. Genius in the game, owning the night. Dawn Patrol charts loading like a loaded gun. Candlesticks dancing, RSI on the run. MACD crossing signals by the dip, no fear. Volatility spiking, but I'm crystal clear. Short the bears, long the bulls in this arena. Leverage on lock, margin call, nah, cleaner. IPO frenzy, underwrite the dream. Earnings beat whispers, watch the green stream. ETFs tracking, hedge funds in my wake. Blue chips stacking, penny plays, I break. Day trade flips, swing for the fences wide. Buy low, sell high, that's my battle cry. From NASDAQ noise to N-Slots thunder, I'm the alpha trader, tearing markets asunder. No FOMO here, just calculated strikes. Portfolio pumping, life in spikes. Stock prices rise up, surge through the wire. I'm the stock genius, setting the fire. Bells crash, victory's dire. Climb like a comet, feel the desire. Rise up, empires in motion. Green tides roaring, pure devotion. Stock genius, claiming the throne. Market's my kingdom, never alone. Crypto crashes, I rebound with the force. Solana surging, Ethereum's course. Option chain gleaming, straddles and spreads. Iron condors flying, profits in my head. Bear traps snapping, bull flags waving proud. Fibonacci levels, retracing the crowd. Vex in the vortex, fears my fuel. Quantitative easing, keeping it cool. Rates real estate, dividends divine. Vintage disruptors, crossing the line. From value traps to growth stock blaze. I'm the wizard weaving market maze. No stop, law slipping, trailing the gains. Compound interest chains, breaking the pain. Sweat, equity grind, but the thrill's insane. Buy low, sell high, eternal refrain. Tension coils tight, like a spring about to snap. Every pip upward, filling the gap. Doubters fade out, in the rearview mist. Instincts, sharp as a scalpel's twist. From rags to riches, this hustle's my art. Beating the benchmark, still in the heart. Stock prices rise up, surge through the wire. I'm the stock genius, setting the fire. Bells crash, victory's dire. Climb like a comet, fuel the desire. Rise up, empires in motion. Green tides roaring, pure devotion. Stock genius, claiming the throne. Market's my kingdom, never alone. Yeah. Charts climbing endless. Legacy lock. Stock genius is bringing the clock. Yeah. Echo in the hall. King of the trades. Answering the call. Fate on the fortune. Scheming the next play. Unstoppable force in the market's fray.
Yo, crash echoes fade, but I'm rising anew. Market's my canvas, painted green. True blue, bells told the rebound. Feel the power accrue. Stock genius reloaded, breaking through. Breaking through. Post-crash, dawn rubble of red in the rear. S&P slipping, but I spot the frontier. Bollinger Band squeezing, breakout on deck. Stochastics oversold, time to collect. Short squeezes popping, gamma ramps ignite. Dark pools churning, but I own the night. Specs, spinning gold from the corporate spin. Mergers and acquisitions, where the real wins begin. Yield curves inverting, but I flip the script. Treasury trades tight, no room for the slip. Commodities crash, oil's rebound and fierce. Gold glints eternal, pierce the inverse. Buy low, sell high, my mantra, my creed. From bear market blues to bull stampede. No idle hesitation, just surgical precision. Portfolio rebalance, fueling the mission. Stock prices ascend, break the chains, explode. I'm the stock genius, paving the road. Odds hammer, hard hopes overload. Soar like an eagle, lighten the load. Ascend, Inflation's inferno, I hedge with the heat. Tips and inflation swaps can't be beat. Biotech breakthroughs, vaccines, vaccinate gains. Semiconductors surging, breaking the chains. ESK funds flowing, green energy glow. Solar panels stack and watch the margins grow. Circuit breakers trip, but I reset the game. Flash crashes forgotten, reclaiming the fame. Derivatives dancing, futures forging ahead. Swaps and collars, keep the risk in the shed. From meme stock mania to value revamp, I'm the phoenix trader, lighting the lamp. Buy low, sell high, echo through the trade floor. Compound the comebacks, demanding more. No retest, regrets, it's institutional might. Weaving through whispers, holding the fight. Pressure builds brutal like a rally about to roar. Every basis point battle, scoring the score. Skeptics scatter in the shadow of doubt, but my chart's a compass, navigating out from downturn despair to peak performance play. This grind's my glory, light of the day. Stock prices ascend, break the chains, explode. I'm the stock genius, paving the road. Hearts hammer, hard hopes overload. Soar like an eagle, light in the load. Ascend, ascend, legacies unfolding. Green horizons gleaming, stories retold. Stock genius, wearing the gold. Markets my symphony, bold and controlled. Turn triumphant, sagas inscribed, stock genius unchained, forever subscribe, ascend, ascend, resound in the vault, master of momentum, exalt in the fault, echo on equity, plotting the prime, unleash the uprising, one trade at a time, bold and controlled.
Yo, from zero to hero, stock's my golden key. Dreaming big, millionaire spree. Watch me, bells ring to rise, ambitions to fuel. I'm building my empire, breaking every rule. Started with scraps, couch change in the pot. Robin Hood app glowing, connecting the dots. Downturn dips, I dive in deep. Average down, no time for sleep. PE ratios peaking, undervalued gems. Earning surprises, stacking the stems. Sector rotation, take the energy shift. Renewables rising, lifting my gift. Buy low, sell high, carve it in stone. From mean frenzy to dividend throne. No day job change, freelance to flip. Swing trade swinging, eclipse the slips. Beta be damned, alpha's my aim. Outperform the index, stake my claim. Paper trades practice, now live with the heat. Millionaire mindset, can't accept defeat. I'm gonna be a millionaire, stock's my ride. Green gain stacking, no place to hide. From rags to riches, fortune's tied. Million dreams realizing side by side. Millionaire, echo the call. Stock's gonna make me rise, conquer all. I'm the boss of the board, feel the thrill. Millionaire bound, unstoppable will. Crypto crossovers, NFTs in the mix. Blockchain bets, quick flicks and tricks. Index funds, nah, I pick the winners raw. Fame feast, but I spot the flaw inside of signals. Nah, take read like a book. Volume spike signal. Hook the crook, tax loss, harvest and offset the wins. Roth IRA rocket, where the real begins. Buy low, sell high, whisper to the wind. Compound magic, where the fortune spin. Venture bets on startups, unicorns in flight. IPO pops, ignite the night. No fight phase me, fears for the faint. Hold on the vision, paint the saint. From broke kid grind to yacht on the wave. Stock's my savior, millionaire I crave. Doubt creeps in shadows, but I flip the switch. Every loss a lesson, enrich the pitch. Sweat and screens, the millionaires brew. One trade closer, see it through. No shortcut slick, just hustle pure. Wealth waves crashing, future secure. Future secure, future secure, future secure, future secure. Yeah, I'm gonna be a millionaire. Stock's my ride, green gain stacking, no place to hide. From rags to riches, fortune's tied. Million dreams realizing.
the blood. Stock prices rise up, plumb the endless stare. I'm calling the charge, feel the electric air. Surge through the storm, no despair. Green flames blazing everywhere. Rise up, echo the command. Fortunes forge in my head.
Stock gods heed the roar.
Bear rage retreat, shorts covering haste. Gamma squeeze, gripping, accelerating the race. Sector surges, cyclicals lead the pack. Value vortex pulling, no turning back. Buy low, sell high, carve the upward arc. Trailing stops tight, lighten the spark. Crypto correlations, all coins align. DeFi dividends, riff in the shine. Black swan shadows, I pivot with grace. Diversified deltas, winning the space. IEO inflow, spectacles burst. Quench the thirst for the universe first. No sideways shuffle, just vertical flight. Wealth waves waving, owning the night. From dawn's first tick to closest grand finale. Prices propel in this epic tale. Tension tall like a bowstring drawn. Every pip a prayer from dusk till dawn. Doubters dissolve in the bullish blaze. My mantra manifests through the haze. One breath, one bet, the ascent's underway. Rise, oh rise, seize the day. Stock prices rise up, climb the endless stair. I'm calling the charge, feel the electric air. Surge through the storm, no despair. Green flames blazing everywhere. Rise up, echo the command. Fortunes forge in my head.
Stock gods heed the roar.
Stock prices rise up, climb the endless stair. I'm calling the charge, feel the electric air. Surge through the storm, no despair. Green flames blazing everywhere. Rise up, echo the command. Fortunes forge in my head.
Stock gods heed the roar.
Yeah, charts cascade to celestial heights. Stock summoners right, igniting the lights. Rise up, resounding the vault. Millionaire march, no fault. Fade on the frenzy, dream the divine. Price is eternal, forever mine.
Yo, market's about to crack. Bells ringing loud. I'm the king of the charts. Watch me rise from the crowd. Stock prices ignite. Burn through the night. I'm a genius with green. Turn it red into flight. Wake up at dawn, screens glowing like fire. Charts dancing wild, my heart's pumping higher. Buy low, sell high, that's my sacred code. Whispers in the wind, but I read every node. Tesla zooming, Bitcoin blasting off. Apple's core crushing bears with a cough. They call it a gamble, I call it my throne. Predicting the peaks while they moan and they groan. Options on fleek, cost stacking like bricks. Puts for the weak, watch them sink in the mix. I'm dodging the dips like a ninja in stealth. Feeling the surge, accumulating wealth. From penny stocks to blue chip beasts. I feast on the feast, release the wild east. No sleep for the dreamers, I'm wide on caffeine. Eyes on the ticker, living the machine. Stock prices go up, yeah, ignite. I'm a stock genius, zone in the night. Bells ring, hearts race, fortunes in sight. Rise like a rocket, burn through the fire. Go up, my empire's calling. Green waves crashing, no time for falling. Stock genius, yeah, that's my crown. Watch the market bow down. Yeah, that's the market bow down. Volatility's my vibe, chaos is my jam. Short the crash, long the slam. Bam, Nvidia's neural net, draining my brain. Crypto winters, I melt them with flame. Wall Street wolves howling, but I'm the alpha pack. Sniffing out winners, never looking back. Dividends dropping like rain from the sky. REITs rising, touching the high. They panic sell, I scoop up the gold. Stories changes unfold, my portfolio bold. From fan to fintech, I flip every script. Bull run, eternal, no room for the dip. Sweat on my brow, but the thrill's in the grind. Mind like a matrix, leaving laggards behind. One click, one trade, empires get made. I'm the wizard of war, unafraid, unswayed. Feel the tension build like a storm about to break. Every tick upward for fortune's sake. No crystal ball, just instinct so sharp. Carving my path through the market's dark heart. They doubt, they scoff, but watch me ascend from broke to boss. This ain't pretend. Stock prices go up, go up, go up, yeah, ignite. I'm a stock genius, on in the night. Bells ring, hearts race, fortune's in sight. Rise like a rocket, burn through the fire. Go up, my empire's calling. Green waves crashing, no time for falling. Stock genius, yeah, that's my crown. Watch the market bow down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Price the market bow down. Yeah, prices climbing, my legend's alive. Stock genius forever, watch me thrive. Go up, echoing the trade. I'm the one they all chase in this money parade. Fade out on the green, dreaming bigger schemes. King of the stocks, living the dream.